All right, in this little video, I'd like to show you one of the ways Moodle can save a lot of time compared to things like Google Classroom or other amazing tools. I like Google Workspace a lot. I use it. But one of the advantages of Moodle is it allows a type of, it allows you to use your computational thinking skills in ways that really minimize your time for doing different processes. Computational thinking means like recognizing patterns, developing algorithms, finding ways to speed up the process, repetitive processes through systems. So, for example, let's say you decide you want a forum. Actually, in every one of these units, you want to have a forum, and the directions that you wrote in this first forum are very similar to what you want every time. So you can go down and add an activity to each one, or you can just go through, click here on the three dots, duplicate it, and then click on the three dots and move it to the next unit. And then click on the three dots again, edit it. Your second writing assignment. Go down. Let's say the grade will probably be the same, except now it's in a different unit. So you switch the unit, and you're done. You just created a new assignment, and it's all in your gradebook and ready to go. If you decide, wow, this unit, I really like the design of this whole thing. This has a forum and an assignment. I want to have both of those in my last unit of the course. So click on the unit, duplicate the whole unit, and you got the idea, right? You click on the three dots and edit. Edit the title. Now, right now, these assignments will be listed in the previous section of your gradebook. So you have to go into those, change the name of the assignment again, update where you want it in your gradebook. But you can really easily duplicate whole units, and it saves a lot of time rather than going through just typing, recreating tests, recreating assignments that are very similar. It's a lot faster to edit than to create for routine assignments like this. The other thing you can do that's really nice, let's say you finish your course. At the end of the course, you're done, and you really liked it, and you're assigned to teach it next year. So go over to More, click on the caret, click on Course Reuse, and then make a backup. If you include the enrolled users, you'll have all the data from the students that you had in your class. So I would recommend not doing that if you're going to use the class again, because you'll have to delete it later on. But you just click on Next, go through the system, and I won't walk through all the steps here. Let's just follow the instructions, keep clicking on Next. And when you're done, download it to your computer, and next time you have a course, let's see, let me go back here. Next time you're assigned to teach the course, instead of following all those processes to create everything from scratch here, you go to More, go to Course Reuse, and restore your course. When you restore it, you just choose the file from your computer, import it, and the whole thing will be right there ready to go. You'll have to change the dates and the participants. Everything else will be ready. So it saves a ton of time with that. The other thing you can do with this that I hope will make your lives easier is if you have another teacher who's taught the course before, and you respect that person, want to use their work, and they allow you to, then with Course Reuse, you can import their course into yours. And so it makes it, rather than copy and create new files and trying to find things, specific files in a Google Drive that's shared by hundreds of teachers, can take a while. This way you can import the entire course and then remove what you want, edit what you want. and it allows consistency through the school. It really helps. And using this type of computational thinking process to reuse great materials can save you a lot of time.